So here we have the oven display. The oven display is the first thing I noticed making a very high-pitched noise. It is very loud, and I would remember if either of the other two ovens in the other two apartments I looked at were making this noise. You can hear it in the background right now, but the oven light is on, and I've noticed it is excessively louder when the oven light is off. So we have the webcam right here, and it is on the field recorder aimed at the oven display. We have Ableton Live, which is a digital audio workstation. It has a channel with the microphone that has two separate spectrum analyzers that are visually representing the sound, the physical sound, and we have an EQ, which I will be using to section out the high-pitch frequencies and give it a little boost in gain, because it can be a little difficult for some people to hear, especially with the background noise. So I will hit the recording and I will turn the oven light on and off, or off and on I should say, considering it's on right now, and you will hear the noise that this is making all the time. So that is pulling the lower frequencies back into the sound so you can hear my voice. And even now you can very much hear the oven display in the background. Now I have a video that I showed the leasing agent Jessica that is the underside of the oven display. It seems to have been pried apart or knocked apart. Something happened to it. It does not look like it is just the factory default oven. Something looks like it's happened to it. So it definitely needs to get sorted out and looked at. So that is the oven display.